Is your WhatsApp notification not working on your Apple Watch? This can happen due to notification settings, Bluetooth connection issues, or focus mode being enabled. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not showing on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we start, make sure these basic settings are taken care of. Single tap on the power button. Make sure that your Do Not Disturb mode is turned off. Then scroll down a little bit. Make sure to turn off silent mode as well. Now, follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Change Apple Watch notification settings. Open up the Settings app. Tap Notifications. Then toggle on the Notifications indicator. Scroll down and turn on all the options here. And then tap Show Notifications on wrist down. Now make sure to enable Show Notifications. Then scroll down and toggle on the WhatsApp app to get notifications from, and also enable these settings from your iPhone Watch app as well. Solution 2. Change WhatsApp notification from iPhone. Grab your iPhone, open the WhatsApp app, tap Settings from the bottom right corner, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Notifications. Make sure to enable all the settings except still if the issue persists. Tap Reset Notification Settings here. Tap Reset. It will reset all your WhatsApp notification settings. If you are still facing the same problem, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Update your software. Open the Watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. And if you're still facing the same problem, then follow the last solution. Solution 4. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the Watch home screen, tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase All Content and Settings. Scroll down again. Tap Erase All. After erasing all, try to repair again. Hope your issue is solved by now. If you found this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and solutions. Feel free to ask me any kind of questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.